Good morning, guys. How you doing? Hope you are okay. I just want to share with you this turn. It's a left-hand side turn, and it's quite narrow. Good morning, guys. Hope you are okay. I want to share with you this left-hand side turn. Is quite narrow. As you can see, it's very narrow road, so I have to take it very wide. Otherwise I will hit maybe the signpost, or I hit something there. As I said in previous videos, driving HGV in the UK, it could be very challenging because of the roads are very narrow, not like in Germany or maybe another country in Europe. Just when you're going to turn, just take it easy, maybe 5 miles per hour. Put your indicator and just go further and see your left hand side and turn. You see, just take it easy until you clear the junction and see your headboard, and now it's done. Yeah, you don't have to rush when you drive HGV, especially in the town centers, and you have to think ahead, plan ahead. Now you can go fast. Just go in the middle because it's tunnel. And every day you learn something. If somebody say to you, he or she a good driver, just say you are a big liar, because there is no such a good driver. There is a safe driver, but no good one. Somebody drives safely.
After quarter of a mile, turn right at the roundabout, taking the 4th exit.
Here I am in Cumbria, and I'm going to Manchester.
Taking the 4th exit.
Take me about an hour and 20 minutes. I have skeleton trailer. I'm empty now.
Take the 4th exit.
The good thing about driving a lorry in the UK is you can see many places, beautiful scenery, but it's challenging in the same time. Because sometimes you don't find the place so easily, so you have to look around. Sometimes I rely on the map. A hard hard copy. I have like a hard copy of a map. because sat-nav sometimes take you through a tunnel, and that tunnel is not very high. It's not suitable for HGV, so you got to be careful. But overall, it's quite a nice job, because there is nobody with you telling you what to do. As long as you do your job, make your delivery, be safe, happy days.
Take the third exit.
M6 South, Lancaster, Preston and Blackpool. So I'm heading towards Manchester. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more. Thank you very much for watching.